Mama don't cry. Mama don't cry. Please, mama don't cry. Thank God, you gave me that chance. Love, see, mama, I'm tryna write this song for you. Before I say much, thank you. There's no woman above you for feeding me your soul food. Now I'm vigilant and wise. Before I had no damn clue. Your prayers made me who I am today. You've been gone for 11 years and still feels like yesterday. I'm facing the world on my own now. In bad times I meditate, go underwater and ignore the pain. You pray for my dreams to become true, and your love is incredible. I still feel it, even though you're gone. That's one of the reasons I wrote this song.
Okay, my real name is Sfisos Tode. I'm from Galfontein, and I am a deep house and Afrotech DJ. My stage name is Evolution Deep SA.
Perfect stuff. So, Ntama, awutshele ukuthi directly wena moyiqala uyiqale kanjani?
This started as, it goes back to 2015. 2015, I have a brother, a Katlehong, who is known to be a DJ, a Afrotech DJ. Bekangifundisa lapho nalapho, but I didn't show interest. The only thing eyenza ukuthi naye angifundise was because like ingqondo yami would run fast mangimamela ingoma. I think ukuthi okay, after le ngayifaka nale. After le actually we once recorded a mix, me not knowing anything but me telling him ukuthi after le ngoma faka le, after le ngoma faka le. It's all. So it actually started taking much interest in 2019, late 2019, from December so, when I went back to Katlehong again. Yeah.
So, Katlehong, were you born there?
No. I was born in Castanov and I stayed in Galfontein for my whole life. Yeah.
So, how is it to grow up in Galfontein, and then when you just start by Kulele Galfontein is, and then yeah.
Kulele Galfontein is it wasn't a bad experience, but it didn't have inspiration whatsoever. I would have preferred Kulele Tembisa because Tembisa has more opportunities than any other place. And yeah, but it wasn't a great experience because there was no inspiration. The only inspiration we would get ubona makrotman nasekasa avuke ekseni nge-Black Label on a Sunday. Okay. So yeah.
So Dan, let's talk about your music, of which into which you uzengayo namhlanje yabo.
Yeah.
Umusic wakho uqale kanjani, and so far how has it been going for you?
Music, it started with, I would say, a touch of Amapiano. Even though I've always liked Afrotech in terms of Black Motion, Cairo, back in those days. But it started with a touch of Amapiano because, like I said, I took interest in DJing late 2019. And then I started doing it very early 2020. That was when I met my mentor, Tsala DJ. And he gave me the app, Visual DJ, for me to start practicing and all. And funny fact, I used to practice Amapiano. Yeah, but I'm better with Afrotech than Amapiano.
So the switch between Amapiano and Afrotech, what made you to switch in between the two?
A mixtape.
Mixtape.
Yeah, I listened to a mixtape of my mentor. It's Soothing Sounds Volume 2. I listened to it, and then after listening to it, there was this one particular song by Cairo, the end of the mix, that made me switch. I was like, I need to get to Afrotech. Afrotech is nice, man. Yeah, that was when I switched.
So in between, whereas I'm genres, I'm a sound, I forgot, and then they change all the time. Do you think what you mind because the piano is overing the music industry? Are you in the right space? Do you think you are in the right space when it comes to like Afrotech and tech music?
Yeah, I am in the right space.
No.
The reason why is because, okay, sure, the piano, we are it's our thing as a nation, so it's like piano is something that we are proud of. It's not in any other country, but it's in South Africa at most. But when it comes to Afrotech can dominate internationally instead of only locally in South Africa. So it dominating internationally means I can make money using dollars.
Damn, sikhuluma ngamadola.
You understand? I can do a world tour of Afrotech, and white people can enjoy it more than black people, because that's a fact.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's not everyone who would die here in South Africa and listens to Afrotech.
Afrotech.
Yeah.
So as ushaya vele ispan sakho, for sure you've been working on studio, your own project, uspana nabanye abantu, for sure. Maybe take me through ispan ushaya when currently, and what do you have under your name?
Spanning Shire currently. I've been to studio, but I'm not yet into my own production. I've been to studio. I'm a project. Well, I'm a DJ and producers was a gazi, and I'm currently working on a series of mixtapes.
Series of mixtapes.
Yeah.
Series
of mixtapes. So this is how it goes. It starts from part 1 to part 6. Part 6 is the main mix. Then from part 1 to part 5, this is the opportunity for me to take underrated DJs, Basikasi, that young talent, Mbafage as a guest DJ on the project. For them to, because some of them, I have maybe a larger fan base than them. So for them to grow,
collaboration is the key.
Yeah. Understand? I'd rather collaborate than to compete. Yeah, so that's the project I'm working on. But production surely start off next year. There'll be something.
Ubaluleke kanjani ukuthi i-collaboration ibe khona amongst creatives, to say the least, in terms of like more especially in a field where it's like music and futhi nokhona seekers who all still need to connect the dots and pick up.
Collaboration is better because every nekasi bayabhayisana.
Yeah.
Especially indawo ze-group ziyabhayisana. So if manje mina I go to a resident DJ of a place that is well known, I collaborate, I can be able to get myself a slot and become a regular. As soon as I become a regular, lo mjida waseKasi ongenamagig, who's good also at what he does or at what she does, because there are also female DJs and watchers. If that person is good and mina I know which my slot is secured, I can easily share the slot with the person than to say I go resident if you get buys these. That's why I want to collaborate, because it's better ukuthi usukume nabantu than ukuthi usukume uyi-one bese ubabhekele phansi.
It sounds like someone gave you a spot before.
Yeah.
Who's that person? And this sport usukusebenzele kanjani in terms of ispan sakho?
That Grootman has been there from last year, October. It's Mgiftana. He's the resident DJ of Ebony Lifestyle Butchery, Ebony Sports Bar, and Ebony Skipper. No, Galfontein Skipper's Pub. Yeah. So the guy, I went to him, Skipper Sekasla, and in Tona Yakona Matalawa. I told Ndwana with since we have heritage what like Fraser or resident in fact the guy not be at first because anything is fine, so I want to go dial enjoy the computer thing and either a visual DJ. Fine, I went, I played, and yeah, I same thing. Then Donna Kona told me with the Lamantoba Chavisayo, they don't just randomly dance. So which means you know what you're doing. And I was playing what Amapiano. So it was on a Friday. The following day was Saturday. Ukazi was like a CDJ. It's like Zora, come play.
That's good.
I played piano. Sunday was like, I know you don't play piano. Play your genre. I played Afrotech. Ever since that Sunday, every Friday, 8 to 9 or 9 to 10, you'll find me at Lifestyle Future. Ever since that Sunday.
What's your plan or any popular when it comes to the music industry itself in the broader spectrum?
I have a poopo on the industry, but I think that one I'll get to it when I see the bridge. For now, I have goals. My goals one is I set them. In 6 months, I want to play in places like this and this and this. In 8 months, I want to play in places like this and this and this to explore and get my name out there. But my main dream is to own my own pub in, I don't know, 5 or 10 years to come. I want my own pub, and I want it to become a franchise to spread in South Africa, and more reasons for youth employment, because there's also people who are looking for jobs who can't find them, and they have degrees in sound engineering or music production or whatever it is that they have, but they can't find anything. So me creating that pub is me going around the Kasi, telling people to apply for the job, and they get the job, they start getting paid, better home situation at the end of the day. So that is my actual dream.
Nice. Have you thought about the economics of music itself, as to owning your music, owning your masters, having your recording label?
Yes, actually I'm in that process also.
Okay. Visiting Oborisa, Sampra,
yeah, Samro. Yeah.
Okay.
But I haven't registered as yet because I want to get a certificate for digital DJing and music production, so that when I register, I already have a baseline.
So the certificate you are referring to,
yeah,
or do you apply for it?
You study for it.
Okay.
It's mostly found in colleges, private institutions.
Oh, more like music production.
Yeah,
Boston is the best.
Boston, yes, that's where I'm going. Yeah. Going there next year.
Okay, nice. Currently, like, like in Zanzibar, when it comes to like about DJs, Afrotech DJs, and DJs in general. Here in the in Kalangai, kakhulu as about DJ, a common whether umuntu like
different genre.
Or different genre, or is it like umuntu ophumelele out there already? He like this one common thing.
One common thing that every DJ, no matter the genre, every DJ uyakhala ngendawo yokuthi akabhadalwa.
Yes, sir.
Like unokumbiza endaweni, say it's a nightclub.
It's a nightclub, yeah.
Ngihlale eKasi, which means if it's a nightclub, I have to travel. Yeah? I go to the place, and the phone in masikhuluma makhuluma nemanager yami. He told the manager yami ukuthi uzonginika rider, uzongibhadala, will pay for transport. Ne? Masifika, uyaletha rider, it's fine. Ngiyadlala siba grand. But when it's time for me to leave, angibhadali, angigaye transport. At least noma ungakhona ngongibhadala, ngigaye transport, ngizobuyela ngani. That's why umuntu makazothi zwakala emidrand. My first question is transport. Imali izo za after, because anyways it's about the passion. But transport. Nepiya sokuye sibone. Transport.
Yeah.
So I feel like most DJs bakhala ngokuthi even if you pay me, you underpay me. Ngiyangihlalele 2 hours ungayi 200 or ungayi 150.
Angikhala nani bafethu. Angeke ngizoshoota 3 hours bese underpay me.
Exactly.
Sikhala sonke bafethu.
Sikhala sonke. It's payment.
Yeah.
And nakhona it's opportunities. Because most places ama-resident wakhona ayavalelana. They have their own set of DJs. Mara they can't put someone new for a different sound.
So when it comes to like we've seen the rise of female DJs.
Yeah.
More especially now kunama female celebrity DJs.
Yeah, true.
Abanye baphuma from acting and then they jump into DJing.
Sure.
Does that boost the space as about DJ, or does it now take away from about DJ abanganagama? Because love I'm a celebrity already.
Yeah, true.
They've been doing something on the side, and then now maybe Baba Koshinda from the acting gig and then now they jump into the space of DJing.
Yeah.
And Uchir, Mool, she got the looks. So does that take away from you guys?
It does, but it doesn't.
It doesn't.
but it does.
Okay.
Because
Let's hear both sides.
yeah, I'm falling on both sides. There's an advantage and a disadvantage. The disadvantage is that Luchor Law is known. Ungambuka adlale into engekho. Adlale udaka. But still, the following week uzombiza futhi. Because igcwalisa indawo yakhe ngithi.
Yeah.
As a owner. Uzombiza futhi bagcwala abantu bamskrimele wena wenza imali. But mina odlala grand ungibiza once in 6 months. Just because angifani naye ngisi-celebrity njengaye.
So that's how it takes food away from you guys.
Yeah, it does. Because nakhona noma ungibizile angeke ungibhadale njengaye.
Obviously.
Because mina ngithi angacaviwe.
You're not the main act.
Yeah, and nakhona le chance onginika yona, it's very little. Imagine if you make me a regular for 2 months. I'm good at what I play, and I know how to play what I play. And thing is, with female DJs, it's all about the hits and the effect. It's some who like
Can play properly.
can play, mix, bit match and everything. Some don't even know how to use a CDJ. They just cue play fucking up. Maye hashi hashu valale. Abantu bayajive. Why? It's a celebrity.
Yeah.
But if it's me, bangshanga amabhodlela, udlala amasemba and whatnot. So it takes from us. It does actually. Yeah.
Okay.
It does.
Who's this one person that you kind of look up to? Whether it's someone who currently up there, whether it's your mentor.
Yeah, it's 3 people I look up to.
Let's go for it.
My mentor, and there's this DJ Wala Tembisa, Noxious DJ. Also inspires me a lot. And third and main is Black Coffee. I look up to Black Coffee because he's the main event of everything, of the whole world, actually.
Yeah.
When you say Black Coffee, people don't like abanandawa. It doesn't matter to them. They just want to see Black Coffee playing with one hand. Yeah, I'm told. They just want to see Black Coffee playing with one hand.
Yeah.
And that is, yeah, he's been doing tours that are crazy, filling up places that any other artist cannot do. Yeah, so those are my 3 inspirations.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna play like a little game, ne?
Okay.
It can be too simple. One must go.
Okay.
Ne?
On the 3.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna give you names,
Oh,
but
right.
one must go. All right.
Okay.
And uzongitshela why the
Yeah,
one that remains must
Yeah.
stay.
All right.
Yeah. So between your mentor and next DJ, who
Yeah.
must go?
No shots. Yeah, because if it wasn't for my mentor, I wouldn't be a DJ. That means Benghang Mas no shots.
No shares.
So my mentor comes first. Even though through Noxious I get to listen to great music, new sounds that I didn't even think of. And Noxious plays talent. But my mentor is the main event
It's the menu.
in my DJing life. Yeah.
Black Coffee and Euphonic, one must go.
Euphonic must go, man. He has nice sounds, but Euphonic must go. Euphonic must go. Because at the end of the day, Coffee, if I have a project and I give it to Black Coffee, the whole world is gonna know it. It's gonna trend on TikTok. It's gonna trend in every platform. But is it everyone who knows you for? No one.
What were your thoughts at the start of Black Coffee, Aspana, no Drake on that project? Drake?
It was a project for people, not for Afro-tech people, for people in general. Because me now, I feel like Coffee would have done better on that album. But anyway, it's under Drake's production, so that's why it's like that. I didn't enjoy the album. I listened to it, but I didn't enjoy the sounds there. I didn't.
Call it the song and the couple.
So the couple, Kulo must go. The couple is a legend. The couple is a legend. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kulo must go.
Shimza 600.
Shimza must go.
1632.
Shimza must go.
1632.
I have a reason for that. Nah. I'm not against Shimza, but rumors,
For the sake of the game, yeah.
rumors are spreading in the game, and they say the reason why Hangout, his place, Hangout 1632, is currently on its way down is because of Shimza is filthy rich, but he doesn't pay Kasi DJs. He only pays for events, in which in events ubiza abantu abatop. He can do an event, a hangout called Shaba, and then the rest of the lineup is Kasi DJs. He can only pay Shaba.
But isn't that a way of like exposure?
It is, but just because I'm a Kasi DJ doesn't mean you should overwork me without paying me. Because that is actually overwork. I'm the one who's gonna make the people dance after Shaba Hambi.
Yeah.
So if mina ngidlala masimba, it's another thing. But you want me to play nice and play for the people, make people dance, you don't pay me. When I play shit, it's another thing. It's another story actually. So yeah.
I suppose now since he started from the bottom, it would be nice to pay.
Yeah, because he knows the struggle
knows,
now.
yeah.
Yeah, it should be like that.
So the finally we will see
Yeah,
investigate
that one.
another thing. Now, Zex Bantuini,
Yeah.
euphonic.
Yo, Euphonic must go. Azix is a legend, wow.
And Musika and Heavy K.
I don't like both of them. I don't like their sounds, both of them. But Heavy K is better based on recent production. Yeah, Heavy K is way better.
Who do you think, that's the end of our game, but who do you think paved the way for artists and DJs in South Africa with Pume outside South Africa, but outside? Like Shims has been to about Ibiza, everywhere, same as Kofi, same as Temba, same as Zex Bantuini. Who do you think paved the way for all these artists to follow?
It's two artists. And my perspective, it's two artists. It's Black Coffee and surprisingly Vicro Deep. Yeah, because Vicro Deep was the one who made the international thing a thing, a actual thing, by releasing that song that called International. That's the song that took him far, and that's what made DJs and producers see that international is better.
It's better
in terms of cash than local. Even though local is like
yeah. Wow. Closing off the show.
Yeah.
What are you currently busy on? What can we expect from you? And give us a timeline.
Okay. Currently, well, I'm done recording it. What's left is just editing it and listening to it. I'm gonna release a mixtape around the 29th of November, if not the 30th. It's a piano mix. It's an piano mix. It's a Pensta mix. So I thought I should do something that is relevant to everyone, not just my Afrotech fans. No, yeah. And then probably during December, I'm gonna be releasing part 4 of the series. It's called Everlasting Sounds 11th Avenue, part 4. And then the Amapiano mix is called Afternoon Drive Session 2. There's a Session 1, it's also Amapiano. I released it not so long ago. So the second one is called Session 2 Pensta Mix. And then there's gonna be part 4 of Everlasting Sounds 11th Avenue.
Perfect stuff.
Yeah.
So some Twitter in terms of social media, it's Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere.
TikTok, I am Evolution Deep 427. And then Facebook, I'm Evolution Deep. And then there's also a page of mine that's Evolution Deep SA. And then Instagram, I'm Evolution Deep SA. Twitter, I'm Evolution Deep SA. Yeah.
Perfect stuff.
Yeah.
Let me ask you this question. In the midst of everything,
Yeah.
who's the support system?
Support system. It's not one person. It's my mentor, my manager, the person I'm with, vandaag, my family, and all. Yeah, it's not a lot, but it's something to keep me going. Yeah, especially my mom.
Yeah. So we pose this question because being us,
Yeah,
the new generation, and doing what we do, it's not going to be super singabuyi.
yeah.
Some of buying
Yeah,
you know,
actually, yeah.
we also think of our safety at the same time. Because I also do go like do photography for like late event gigs from around 10, sometimes even course night. So I think it's important to just mention Labo Bantu Labo who like that they're behind you. Behind you as a brand. Okay, fair. So with that, we're just cutting in like boom. That's how I end the show. Perfect. Fair. Abafethi namhlanje just besahlezi na one and the only Evolution Deep yangithola ngayi in studios. You can see from the postcard the talk of OP. We got to know Umchita Fede much better. We hope you will enjoy this episode and Chilumgana Kona Chilumunya We've got the best show the corner Santola and years before we see to this cut down there. Into on 313 subscribers. Keep on supporting us, guys. Your views, your likes, your subscription, everything does work, everything does count. It does help, it does go all the way. Please follow my brother on his journey. We'll be releasing new music at the end of the month, 29 November. So just check him out. I'm like, hello, follow it. So in your music, we told about
music, the current website is Hattes Act. So you go on the website and then you search Evolution Deep or Everlasting Sounds. You definitely get my mixtapes there.
Perfect. We will even make sure to drop a link down there in my comment section so you can be able to click it. But to follow us on Facebook, The Talk of OP, Instagram, The Talk of OP, YouTube, yes, The Talk of OP.
My social media on Facebook, I am Evolution Deep, and I have a page on Facebook. It's Evolution Deep SA. Then on Instagram, it's Evolution Deep SA. On Twitter, it's Evolution Deep SA also. Yeah. Legend.